DRIVETRIBE spent some time filming with Edd China recently, where we made a bunch of videos. Check them out after this. While we were with him, Edd asked us off the cuff to film his sofa car. Were we prepared? No. Did we film it? Course we bloody did. Sadly, as the cameras were switched on, the heavens opened. Here's how we got on.
It might seem quite wide, but actually it's actually narrower than a Range Rover. It's about 1800mm wide, so you can actually sneak onto pavements and into places that you shouldn't go anywhere else. And I always wanted to make it so that it looked nothing like a car, which is why the controls are hidden. So we steer with a pizza. That could easily have been a thing of popcorn, perhaps, or a newspaper or a magazine or something. And then originally when I first made it, I think I had a remote control for the gears. But the gear, so this is the drinks can is actually the foot brake.
Okay.
And it's a Guinness can because we've got a Guinness World Records. We set the world record for fastest furniture at 87 miles an hour 21 years ago. And then the gears is actually, obviously you still, even though it's automatic, you still choose what gear you're going to go be into. And that's the Turkish Delight bar, because having a Turkish, having a laugh, dodgy rhyming slang, just like the name of the sofa, the casual loafer.
You've thought of everything, haven't you?
Pretty much. And we have indicators, in the flower pots, which are looking a bit worse for wear. So it does need a bit of a revamp. But as I say, it's been quite odd. And then the speedo is in the clock as well, which is quite fun. So it's I was trying to just kind of disguise everything.
Can you drift it? Is it possible
You can,
to drift?
particularly in gravel. I wouldn't try it on tarmac. Maybe in the wet we could go. I mean, there is a place we could have tried that if you wanted.
Drift onto Henley Bridge.
Well,
I
think again you could do with a slightly better wheelbase, I think, for that to work.
Sure.
And a bit more power. You can never have too much power. You can see that even in the rain, it's not terrible, is it? It's actually quite comfortable.
It's not too bad.
And the thing is, the seat, because of the engine, the seats are kind of heated as well, which is nice.
I must say, people's reactions driving down the street, some are almost angry, thinking, what the hell is that?
Yeah, no, you do.
And others are quite chill.
I mean, I think, there was it Molaire or something, was a French poet or whatever, but he was saying about the fact that often a work of art can become a personal affront to people.
Wow.
And it's kind of like, and so it's like, well, that's some kind of phrase then, actually. Because it's sort of, somehow you're messing with their reality. And so if you make them question that, then of course, obviously they've got to question everything else. So it's quite a responsibility. I'm kind of hoping that the rain is going to stop soon.
I mean, as a kid who grew up watching you on TV, this is pretty bloody surreal. Sitting on a sofa, getting soaked.
This is very rainy all over again.
This is torrential.
I would say we normally find a petrol station at this point. There's not many places to hide, actually. Even Danesford House, which is coming up, I think we might struggle with. Well, there we go.
Well, that was.
Now you know what that's like.
That was absolutely phenomenal. I'm soaked, but I couldn't be happier, to be honest.
Fantastic. Result.
And our cameramen are laughing. Yes, you're dry in your Range Rover. So this or the Mondeo?